up this morning, waking up before it's getting 9. Kinda heavy on my shoulders, tracking down some moments back in time. I could've swore that I was in it, down to every minute. Don't know what I was sipping, but I felt like I was doing fine. Oh my. Turns out that I just got a little bit south, just a little bit north of the Georgia line.
Do a quick update on the barn. It's basically done except for being cleaned, right?
Well, we got one more post to put in as soon as that concrete gets hard. And a lot of painting to do and little jobs.
Gutters are done. Yep, lots better.
Yeah?
Lots stronger.
Much stronger. And we had a
Birdies are mad.
We had a big hole here for the last post, and it's got 4 rebar in, and then we've got rebar in here too,
Oh yeah.
because it goes just about to the 2x4, because we thought, well, that's where you're entering the barn, and that's where you're first climbing on the cement, right? That's gonna be tough right there.
What did you decide to do here?
We moved the post over.
Oh, we just moved the post. I see. Instead, because you're gonna pour a footing like a thingamabob.
But the cement was good there,
Yeah. And there's usually
And-
not much weight on this side anyway.
and we wanted to do that on this side, because you see here how the window is a weak spot. So by moving the post 4 inches that way, you're making that stronger.
True that.
And then I started grinding the old one off, and I got that far. At least now it ain't such a trip hazard like that one, that one I didn't get to yet. And then I got another one here. And over here I'll put some patches in. Cause you know,
Yeah, it was kind of crappy there. Holes.
but we're gonna get the right stuff to do more patching like that. But now that that mud dried up, now I can move it.
Yeah. If a guy just like knocks some of this high spun out here, it'd be a lot better too.
Yeah, well, I can do some of that with the grinder. At least get the top off.
True that.
Get it a little better, because concrete does not grind good.
Yeah, much more accessible, maneuverable barn now.
This is the largest concrete floor that I own.
So what you do in your barn here?
2 summers ago, I replaced all the posts, added 2 wooden beams down on the end. We had to put new footings under the posts,
Also here.
because they were busting through the cement, because we got tractors above here too. So we dug a hole by each post, big hole, to pour some decent footings. Then we replaced the posts with galvanized posts, and a lot of them got new plates, top and bottom. And then I painted them all over colors, even though they were galvanized. So we got red, green, all over yellow, all over clover white, and I start over with red.
It matches that side.
The other side's the same.
So you got
All new posts.
we got green, red both sides, clover white, yellow, green, red.
And then the wooden posts on the end. It didn't have them, but it does now, and then I stained them with a nice walnut stain.
Was that a big job?
Pretty big job.
'Cause a
A lot of the summer.
because this was
you-
this was manger at one point, and we broke it out,
Right.
and then it stayed like that, just broken stone and stuff.
And we had gravel there.
And it was a pain in the butt to get anything around in here.
Right. So we also filled them all up, filled the gutters all up, and did all the concrete work. And we dug big holes under wherever a post was gonna go and poured 14 inches thick footings under there, a minimum. So we spent a few weeks in here. We had all the tractors, everything out of here so we could work. And then after, they snuck back in. They found their way back in, all
Yeah.
them tractors.
Like a doggy, huh?
Yep,
On its way home.
yes. I believe there's 10 tractors under here.
Let's see. We got 2, 3,
1, 2, 4,
9,
6,
10.
7.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's
10
60 on steel in the corner there.
10 full-size tractors and then a load of lawnmowers.
I don't